This section looks at how to apply the AWS well-architected framework principles to your database layer. As you make connections between the performance efficiency, cost optimization, and security pillars, consider your role as a cloud architect who is adding a database layer. When making architectural selections, the performance efficiency pillar offers best practices. Evaluate how trade-offs impact customers and architecture efficiency. When selecting and implementing a data management solution, you must ensure that the querying, scaling, and storage characteristics support the workload data requirements. Also, use the access patterns of the workload and the requirements of the applications to decide on optimal data services and technologies to use. With those patterns in mind, make your database and configuration selection. Protecting the data residing in your database storage is a critical part of the security pillar. Some best practices are to implement secure key management and enforce encryption at rest. In this module, you learn that to secure data, Amazon Relational Database Service, Amazon RDS, and Amazon DynamoDB use AWS Key Management Service, or AWS KMS. DynamoDB encrypts all user data at rest stored in tables, indexes, streams, and backups by using encryption keys stored in AWS KMS. Amazon RDS encrypts your databases by using keys that you manage with AWS KMS. By selecting the best database type, size, and number of resources, you meet the technical requirements with the lowest cost resource. In this module, you learned how different database resources can scale and saw examples of use cases suited to different configurations. It's important to find the right balance of performance and costs to right-size your resources. For example, you saw how Amazon Aurora can provide better performance and lower cost than standard database engines. Additionally, Aurora serverless can be used to provide on-demand scaling so that you can avoid over-provisioning resources. Use the AWS well-architected framework principles to learn more about database types and services offered by AWS to make a cost-optimized and high-performing selection that meets your business requirements.